Let's get real for a second. How many of you believe that you need to save 20% of a home's price as a down payment before you can even think about buying? If your hand is metaphorically raised, don't worry, you're not alone. This myth has been around for decades, and it's holding too many people back from their dream of homeownership. Hi, I'm Kevin Martini, and I'm a certified mortgage advisor with the Martini Mortgage Group. And I'm here to bust the myth that's stopping so many first-time home buyers in their tracks. The truth is, you don't need to save 20% for a down payment to buy a home. And holding on to this outdated idea could actually cost you more than you think. By the end, you'll know why waiting for the 20% might not be the best move, and how you can start your homeownership journey sooner than you ever imagined. Let's break this down. Why does this myth exist in the first place? The idea of putting 20% down comes from an old school financial philosophy. Sure, putting down 20% has benefits. It lets you avoid private mortgage insurance, and it reduces your monthly payment because you're putting more money down. But here's the kicker. That's not a requirement. The reality, most first-time home buyers don't put anywhere near 20% down. According to the National Association of Realtors, the average down payment for a first-time home buyer is closer to 6%. So where does this one-size-fits-all advice come from? It's rooted in a world where cookie-cutter financial plans rule the day. But buying a home isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. Your financial plan should be as unique as your home buying goals. Here's something most people don't realize. Waiting to save that full 20% could cost you way more than just time. While you're busy saving, the housing market isn't waiting for you. Home prices are going up, mortgage rates could increase, and that dream home you have been eyeing, it might already be out of reach by the time you've saved up. Let me give you an example. Say you're looking at a $300,000 home and you want to put 20% down, that's $60,000. If you're saving $1,000 a month, that's going to take you 5 years to reach your goal. But here's the problem. In 5 years, that $300,000 home could be worth $350,000 or maybe even more. And now you're starting from scratch with an even bigger savings target. Meanwhile, if you bought a smaller home with a smaller down payment, you'll already be building equity in that home as its value rises. This is why so many smart buyers decide to act sooner rather than later. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. The good news, you have options. Let's talk about the most common low down payment programs available for home buyers today. So here are just a few options here at the Martini Mortgage Group that we offer that you don't have to have 20% saved up for. Let me break them down for you. Number one is the FHA home loan. With an FHA home loan, you can buy a home with as little as 3.5% down. An FHA loan is not just available for first-time home buyers. Repeat home buyers are eligible for it even if they already had an FHA loan in the past. The FHA loan is designed to help home buyers sooner rather than later. Oh, by the way, the Martini Mortgage Group offers a no down payment FHA home loan solution. Yes, it's precisely how it sounds. For more information about our proprietary no down payment FHA home loan that's available to all home buyers, simply call the Martini Mortgage Group with by dialing 919-238-4934. Number two is the conventional loan, also known as a conforming loan. Oh, by the way, they are called conforming loans because they conform to the guidelines set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Many conventional or conforming loans, if you prefer, allow a down payment as low as 3%. These loans are often an amazing choice. Now, number three is the best home loan offering available in the marketplace. It's the VA home loan, and it is a game changer. If you're a veteran or active service member, you may qualify for a VA loan, which requires a zero down payment. That's right, no down payment at all. This is one of the most generous benefits available to the people who have served our great country. Number four is the USDA loan. Technically, it's called the Rural Development Home Loan, but it's commonly referred to as the USDA home loan. This unique program is for those looking to buy an eligible rural or suburban areas. USDA home loans offer a zero down payment option. These loans are perfect if you're open to living a bit farther from the city center. Now, let me be transparent. Each of these options comes with unique advantages. And that's why working with a mortgage strategist at the Martini Mortgage Group is so important. We'll help you navigate these programs and find the one that fits your situation the best. Let's address the elephant in the room, PMI or private mortgage insurance. Some people think, I'll just wait till I can save 20% so I don't have to put PMI. But here's what they do not realize. PMI is not the villain it's made out to be. In fact, it's a tool that allows you to buy a home with a smaller down payment. PMI are often much slower than a financial hit you'll take by actually waiting to buy. And here's the best part. Once you reach a 20% equity in your home, you can typically remove PMI altogether. So instead of seeing it as a burden, think of it as a stepping stone, a small price to pay to get into your home now and start building wealth. Here's the Kevin Martini bottom line. The sooner you buy a home, the sooner you start building equity and locking in today's prices. The longer you wait, the more likely it is that rising prices and interest rates will make buying even harder. When you work with me or fellow mortgage strategist Logan Martini, we'll create a personalized plan to fit your unique goals and finances. It's not about rushing. It's about understanding that you don't have to wait for the mystical 20% down payment to achieve your dream of home ownership. Let me share a quick story. One of my clients, Sarah, she was convinced that she needed to save 20% before buying her first home. After we talked, she realized she could buy with just 5% down. Fast forward a year later, Sarah has already appreciated her home, and her monthly mortgage payment is lower than what she was paying in rent, and she's building equity every month. Stories like Sarah aren't rare at the Martini Mortgage Group. They are happening when you go and let go of outdated advice and explore the options that are available to you. So here's my challenge to you. Stop letting that 20% myth hold you back. If you're dreaming of a home but feel stuck, let's chat. I'm here to help you explore your options, answer your questions, and create a customized plan that works for you. Please schedule a complimentary and confidential call that will be judgment-free with either me or Logan Martini today by dialing 919-238-4934. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Together, we can help more people say goodbye to renting and hello to homeownership. Thank you for watching. And remember, the dream of homeownership is closer than you think. Let's make it happen. You can do this.